Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this week's Make and Take Craft. I'm Chris from the Covina Public Library, and this week I'll be showing you how to make your very own magical envelope. So let's make some magic happen. So for this craft, all you're gonna need is 4 strips of paper. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna fold each paper in half. Now that I have them all folded in half, we're gonna interlock them together. So I'm gonna hold the darker paper, hold it vertically, and you're gonna wanna grab the lighter paper and hold it so it interlocks and holds the paper like this. So now we're gonna do the same thing. Get the darker piece of paper you have and have it interlock and hold the lighter piece of paper. You're gonna wanna leave some gaps right here. And now you guys can guess what we do next. You get the lighter piece of paper and have it interlock and hold the darker piece of paper. But this time you're gonna want it to go through the loop here. So I'm gonna make sure it goes all the way through. And now push it all together. The goal is to form a square. So I'm gonna pull each end to make sure it creates a square. You can hold it tight so it stays together well. Okay, perfect. So you see I have a square. So now from here, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna fold the flaps down. You have 2 flaps, but make sure to only fold 1 flap at a time. So we'll begin with this piece right here. I'm gonna fold it. And you're gonna just go clockwise and continue folding the flaps. Each flap should fold over the previous flap you did. So I'm gonna fold this one next. Now I'm gonna fold this one next, so it covers that one. And next, you're gonna wanna fold this one to cover that one. And then on your last flap, you wanna make sure it gets tucked in underneath so it doesn't show. So I'm gonna tuck it underneath. Perfect. So when you have it, it should create like a checkerboard. So now what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna flip it over and do the same thing. So I'm gonna fold 1 flap. And remember, the goal is each flap goes over the previous flap. So I'm gonna fold another one, crease it, another one, crease it, and then the 4th flap, you tuck it in. And you should, when you finish, you should have a checkerboard. So they look the same on both sides. And there you have it, that's magical envelope. All right, so let's make some magic happen. As you can see, I have an ordinary dollar, just a single dollar bill. So we're gonna put it into our magic envelope. So you're gonna wanna fold it, so it'll fit in your envelope. Fold it right here. I made a little square. And now open your envelope so we can place it inside. And so that's why we have the flap, so it will hold together. So I have my envelope. I'm placing the ordinary dollar. And then you do the same thing. Flap, over, and the last one goes underneath. So it wouldn't be a magic trick if you didn't have a wand. So I brought my wand from home. So let's try a little spell, see if it'll work. Envelope, envelope, filled with hope. With this dollar, make me a baller. So let's see what happens. So we're gonna open our envelope and see what we got inside. I don't think that's a dollar. I think it's a 20. I mean, I would have preferred 100, but this will do. And that's the magic for you. So normally, magicians don't share their tricks and the secrets, but here at the library, we like to share information. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a sneak peek of how you guys can do this with some of your friends. So the goal of the magic envelope is You kind of have to have a sleight of hand, make sure you have a persona, distract people. And what you're going to want to do is you could place a larger bill on the other side of your magic envelope. And if you place it before you begin the trick, then when you flip it over, once you finish your magic spell, it'll pop up and it'll be a different dollar than the one you originally had. So the single dollar bill is still in here, but it's on the other side. So make sure when you do the trick, if you end it by flipping it, and then you open that side, you'll have a larger dollar bill. So that's our magic envelope. Thanks for crafting with Chris, and I'll catch you later.